Wall Street's biggest names just revealed their latest moves in Q2 through 13 F filings. Warren Buffett, Michael Burry, Dev Kantesaria, Bill Ackman, and Pat Dorsey, some added to their favorite positions, some dumped stocks entirely, and a few made surprising bets. Let's break down and deep dive into the most interesting trades. Let's go through the key moves that Warren Buffett made this quarter. Firstly, he sold 20 million shares of Apple and trimmed Bank of America. He sold entire stake in T-Mobile US and also reduced Charter Communications and Liberty Media. He also added a $1.57 billion stake in United Health Group, a major healthcare pivot, signaling a bullish outlook after United Health dropped in share prices. He also initiated positions in Allegion, Lamar Advertising, and Nucor. Also increased Chevron, Constellation Brands, Domino's, Pool Corp, Heiko, and home builders like D.R. Horton and Lennar. Key takeaways from Warren Buffett. Decision this quarter is that he is moving from tech and financials into healthcare defensives and industrial or infrastructure plays, possibly prepping for a macro shift as interest rates will be lowered in the near future. Next, let's go through the key moves that Michael Burry made. He closed existing put option bets, launched $522 million in bullish call options on names like Meta, Alibaba, United Health, ASML, and others. He also initiated new long equity positions in Bruker, Lululemon, now 2.05% of his portfolio, Regeneron, United Health, and Mercado Libre. Key takeaway from Burry's moves is that he's shifted from bearish to bullish, aggressively repositioning toward tech, healthcare, and discretionary. Next, let's go through the key moves that Dev Kantesaria made. His firm Valley Forge quietly decreased just one small position in Q2, otherwise maintained steady allocation to high-quality compounders. His portfolio remains concentrated in FICO, S&P Global, MasterCard, Moody's, and Visa. Key takeaway from Dev Kantesaria moves is that there's no major shifts as he continues his slow and steady approach, staying locked into core high-quality financial tech. Next, let's go through the key moves that Bill Ackman made. He entered a large position in Amazon, which is now 9.31% of the portfolio. He also boosted his stakes in Alphabet and Brookfield Corp. Completely exited Canadian Pacific Kansas City. Key takeaways from Bill Ackman moves is that he is leaning into Magnificent Seven tech names and betting big on Amazon's continued dominance. Lastly, let's go through the key moves that Pat Dorsey made. He increased ASML exposure by 98.4%, significant dial-up. He added positions in Booking Holdings and Innovis Corp. He also trimmed Meta and AutoZone. Key takeaways from Pat Dorsey moves that he is doubling down on semiconductor infrastructure via ASML and rotating into specific growth names. Each genius moves differently. Buffett plays defense, Burry bets bold, Ackman rides tech, Dorsey invests in chip supply, Kantesaria sits tight. Personally, I will be still invested into big tech and also considering adding more healthcare stocks in my portfolio. They are currently trading cheap. We'll be continuing to add more ASML shares to my portfolio. Let me know who you'd follow and why. Hit like and subscribe for deep dive investor breakdowns next earnings season.